Hello kids, today we are going to see about exercise 3.2 question number 1. The question is, a shopkeeper buys 3 articles for rupees 325, 450, 510. He is able to sell them for rupees 350, 425, 525 respectively. Find the gain or loss to the shopkeeper on the whole.
Problem, they're given a shopkeeper buys 3 articles. Shopkeeper buys 3 articles. So here they are given the cost price value. So cost price equal to cost price of 3 articles. Cost price of 3 articles. Cost price of 3 articles rupees 125, 450 and 510. Okay, so here we are adding all these values. Okay, here we are adding these values, so we get rupees 325 plus rupees 450 plus rupees 510. Okay, so we get rupees 1285. Okay, so cost price of 3 articles rupees 1285. And then he is able to sell them for rupees 350, 425 and 525. So here the selling price. So selling price of 3 articles. So selling price of 3 articles rupees 350 plus rupees 425 plus rupees 525. So adding all these values, so we get 350 plus 425 plus 525, we get 1300. So selling price of 3 articles rupees 1300. Okay, 1300. What we have to find? Find the gain or loss to the shopkeeper on the whole. Find the gain or loss. Here gain is similar word of profit. Okay, gain is the similar word of profit. So here we have to find the profit or loss to the shopkeeper on the whole. Okay, first compare the cost price and the selling price. So here cost price value 1285. So here selling price value 1300. Okay, which one is
The
higher?
next question number
Absolutely,
1,
selling price
exercise
value is
3.2.
higher. Okay,
The
if
shopkeeper buys 3 articles for
selling
rupees
price is
325,
greater than
450
cost
and
price,
510.
then it is
He
a
is able to
profit.
sell
So
them for
then it
rupees
is a profit.
350,
Then
425 and 525 respectively.
it is
Find
a
the gain or loss to the shopkeeper on
profit.
the whole.
So here we need the profit formula. Already we know about the profit formula. So what is the profit formula? Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. So here selling price value 1300. So here selling price value 1285. 1285. Okay. So here subtract 1300 minus 1285. We get rupees 15. So profit equal to rupees 15. Therefore, the shopkeeper gain, Gain rupees 15. Rupees 15. Okay. Hello kids. Today we are move on to the next chapter. The chapter name is geometry. We already studied the basic geometrical concept such as angles and its types, drawing line segments, drawing and measuring angles in the first term. Here in this term we will study triangles and their types, construction of parallel and perpendicular lines to the given line segment. First, here we are going to see about the definition of triangle. What is the triangle? The triangle means a closed figure formed by three line segments. A closed figure formed by three line segments. Okay. A closed figure formed by three line segments. 1, 2, 3. Three line segment. A closed figure formed by three line segment. It is called the triangle. Okay. Next we are move on to the basic elements of a triangle. Basic elements of a triangle, mark 3 points. Okay. Mark 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Mark 3 points. Here we have name A, B, C. Okay. A, B, C. Join the line segment. Okay. Join the line segment. A, B, B, C and C. Okay. Mark 3 points. Here, join the line segment A, B, C. Here, the line segment A, B, B, C, C. A, B, B, C, C is called the sides of the triangle. Okay, what is this? Sides of the triangle. And then
The angle ABC. The angle ABC. BCA. BCA. The angle CAB. Okay, CAB. Here B angle BCA is called the angle of the triangle. Angle of the triangle. Okay.
And then what is the vertex? The vertex means the point intersection. The point intersection of two sides. Point intersection of two sides of the triangle is called the vertex. The point intersection of two sides of the triangle. A triangle has three sides and three angles and three vertices. Next we are move on to the types of triangle based on its sides. Okay, types of triangle based on its sides. The first one is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and then equilateral triangle. Okay, what is scalene triangle? Scalene triangle, it is nothing but if three sides of the triangle has, if three sides of the triangle are different in length. If three sides of the triangle are different in length, then it is called the scalene triangle. Let us explain with you with the help of example. The triangle, if the three sides of the triangle are different in length. So A, B, C. So AC has 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and then 5 centimeter. So here the three sides of the triangle has different length. Okay, has different length. So these triangles are called the scalene triangle. Okay. The next one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles means if two sides of the triangle are equal in length. Okay, then it is called the isosceles triangle. Okay. Let us take one example. Let us take one example. A, B, C. Okay. Here 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and here 2 centimeter. Okay. If two sides of the triangle are equal lengths. Okay. So here AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. AB equal to 5 centimeter, AC equal to 5 centimeter. Here two sides of the triangle are equal length, then it is called the isosceles triangle. Next we are move on to the types of the triangle based on its angles. Okay, based on its angles. Okay, The triangles are acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. Okay, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and then obtuse angle triangle. Okay, what is the acute angle? If three sides of the triangle are acute angle between 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, between 0 degree. Between 0 degree and to this acute angle between 0 degree and 90 degree. Let us take one example. A, B, C. A angle has 60 degree and B angle has 60 degree and C angle has 60 degree. Okay. So here the three sides of the angle has between 0 degree and 90 0 degree and 90 degree. So here the angles are 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. The sum of the three angles equal to 180 degree. So here A plus B plus C equal to A 60 plus B 60 degree plus C 60 degree. So here adding all these values to we get 180 degree. Okay. So here this is the example of acute angle. And then what is the right angle triangle? Right angle triangle mean if an angle of your triangle is a right angle, at degree 90 degree, then it is called the right angled triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. Let us take one example. A, B, C. So here B is the right angled triangle. So here B is a okay, let us take one example. Okay, here this is the right angle triangle 90 degree. Okay, at 90 degree. Okay, A, B, C. So here A equal to 60 degree, C equal to 30 degree. So sum of three angles 60, 30, 90. So 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 90, 180 degree. So here it is the example of right angle triangle. And then obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle means if an angle of a triangle is an obtuse angle between 90 degree and 180 degree. Between 90 degree and 180 degree. 90 degree and 180 degree. Okay, it is called the obtuse angle. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, here between obtuse angle between 90 degree and 180 degree. Okay, so
Here 110 degree and A has 50 degree and C angle has 20 degree. Adding all these values, we get the 180 degree. The angle of three sides equal to triangle of three sides equal to 180 degree. Okay, here the angle between 90 degree and 190 degree, so it is the obtuse angle.
so the types of triangle based on its angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Between 0 degree and 90 degree, it is an acute angle. At 90 degree, it is right angle triangle, and between 90 degree and 180 degree, it is the obtuse angle. Let us discuss about the triangle inequality property. Triangle inequality property. The triangle inequality property, it is nothing but in a triangle, the sum of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. This is known as a triangle inequality. Okay, in a triangle, the sum of two sides. Okay, in a triangle. Okay, in a triangle. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, in a triangle, the sum of two sides. Okay, taking two sides, A, B, any two sides. Okay, A, B and AC. Okay, A, B, AC. The sum of, here sum means addition. Okay, the sum of two sides of the triangle is greater than, okay, greater than the third side, okay, greater than the third side, greater than the third side is BC, okay, then it is known as the triangle inequality, okay, triangle inequality. And then AC is greater than BC, and then AB plus BC is greater than AC, right? Here AC, and then BC plus AC is greater than AB. Okay, ma'am. This is the triangle inequality property. The sum of two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, this is known as the triangle inequality property. Okay, children. Thank you. See you next class.